And yes, guys, Davido went all out to support our very own brother Kumaru Usman during his own fight, and guess what, guys? He actually won. And I spotted Francis Ngannou. Is that not Francis Ngannou? Yeah, it's him, and he finally won and made us proud. And the fact that Davido came all out for that guy is really nice. There are some things that guy do that people don't really understand. It was just so nice of him to be there together with other Nigerians to hail him and chant for him, and then he finally won. Congratulations to Kumaru Usman. One thing I know for sure is that wherever Nigerians are thriving, they thrive very well. They do it very well. Like, they are very good at it, and they come out being the best. That's one thing about Nigerians, and that's why I'm so happy for Kumaru Usman. Congratulations once again. And guys, just kindly keep subscribing, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.